Ten toes down, yeah, you know I'm all in. Cradle to the grave, till the casket falling. Radio, the snooze button, niggas boring. This shit is entertainment, so I applaud them. Ten toes down, yeah, you know I'm all in. Cradle to the grave, till the niggas falling. Radio, the snooze button, they be boring. They be entertainment, so I applaud them. It's like Oprah show, you get around, you get around, two, you get around, you get around, two, you get around, you get around, two. Gifts up under the seat.
It's F10 Reed. Subscribe to my channel now. You know the vibes.
Get your punk ass out the kitchen, no lukewarm niggas. Top shit is nice, hit a poopy poop on niggas. Competition where I hail, man, this shit is bad. Well, I'm here to shake 'em up, spawn, I ain't throwing a jab. Hooks like cashes, bridge overhand right, I hardly right. But a puncher in you, I am in Mike. Kill a corny solo nigga or a group of lanes. Pick your poison, I enjoy it, I ain't what you used to, man. You niggas house thugs, not how you the toughest. I know the kid is blood type of super sucker. On site is perfect for me, we got up it there. Had a wolf, turkey grizzlies in the gummy bears. My music fell across the depth as dumb as this. Summer fears, lyrically ahead of all my peers. Can't outside and shine, get burn, well, it's your choice. Fuck with me, he hell, you know Minty voice. Yesteryear flows, been had it, I done switched that. New Roscoe, old body, break your chest, Kit Kat. Monster had it wrapped in a sock, ass and kickback. Take your bitch back, I just gave it a fever.
Yeah, right now I'm about to let y'all know I got the deleted resonator, deleted muffler I just did the other day with the TS1 Auto Works. Good guys over there. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I think it's a little too loud though. I've been out of New York for a little minute, so I ain't used to it. But all my boys saying it is valid, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Tell me what y'all think, yo. Dope content coming for y'all too. Peace.
Yo, do it again.
Nah, not even.
Yeah.
You live in Cobb, right?
I told you that shit is crazy.
Boys that help contribute, giving me ideas, you know what I mean, putting me onto the shops and stuff that I went to. I mean, I'm gonna drop y'all Instagram names. Appreciate y'all. Moses, Phil, Sean. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you. Y'all subscribe, hit the like button. Like I said, more content coming soon. I got some new rotors, brake pads from R1 Concepts. I'm gonna paint my calipers a different color. Wrap my V brace also. You know what I'm saying? Got my coilovers and stuff coming soon. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. I mean, for more updates. And I got some pulls I'm gonna be doing too. Y'all gonna see the car. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep that on the hush, you know what I mean? I'm gonna set that up though. Got some nice stuff for y'all, man. Stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? F10 Ream. I'm out.
Go.
Hey, what's up? My name is Steve Flash. Make sure you subscribe to my dad YouTube channel. Hit the like, subscribe, and ring bell notifications.
Alright.
Make sure to subscribe.